350.
441.
What was it? 441. Oh, 441. Right, brilliant. Okay. Done this next one specially for you, Callum, because you said yesterday wasn't Christmas enough. So, my favourite bit of Christmas, well, not my favourite bit, one of my favourite bits of Christmas is Boxing Day, when it goes to the next half-price sale. It's part of Christmas. Don't you think Boxing Day is part of Christmas? Pardon? No, I've seen these shoes. They're quite like. Do you like them?
Have you actually seen them?
Yeah, they're off the next catalogue.
But she won't get them
Why won't I?
because you have to get up on 4:30.
I can do that.
Do you actually go on 4:30?
Well, because I spend so much there, I actually get a VIP invite, so I'm hoping I'll get it before. Anyway, that's the pair of shoes that I like. So, they cost £60, and I'm hoping I'm going to get 35% off my pair of shoes. Casey, what would my new percentage be?
Would it be 65?
65.
0.65.
Yeah, my new percentage would be 65%. So, my multiplier would be 0.65. And to find out how much I'm hoping to pay for my very nice shoes that I'm hoping to have.
Times 60.
Times 60, which will be £39. Fingers crossed. Although I have sent a picture to my husband and said hint. Right, okay. A word problem. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 20%. So, 20% off sale. Andrew brought a saddle for his horse in the sale. The sale price of the saddle was £220. I want you to write down the sum and what you think the answer would be to that one. Harrison, what do you think it would be?
I've got no idea. It's
Okay.
backwards, isn't it?
Oh, I don't. Ooh.
That's what I think is you have to find what £220 is 80% of.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, yeah.
£220 is 80%.
Is it 275?
Is it what?
275.
You think it's 275? Well, okay, if you had £275 and you took 20% off, you would multiply by... Fantastic. Okay, did everybody get that?
No.
Brilliant. I shouldn't have picked Harrison. I didn't think you were going to get it right. I was hoping to trick you here. This is a reverse percentage question, and this is the most commonly incorrectly answered question that comes up because it's all in the wording. Okay? Andrew bought a saddle in the sale price of the saddle. So the 20% has already been taken off. So when you are looking at the questions, you have got to look, is this happened or is it going to happen? Okay? If it's going to happen, you are multiplying back, you're looking at your multiplier. But what do you do if it's already happened? Because you've said you've done the 80%, you've got the 275, but what did you actually do? Yeah?
I did 220 divided by 8.
So you did 220 divided by 8.
And then I times it by 10.
So 220 divided by 8 gave you
27.5.
27.5, and then you multiplied by 10 and got
275.
275.
And then I
So
times it by 0.8.
brilliant. And then you checked to make sure. Fantastic. So that's how you would do it on a non-calculator paper. But let's just start with the calculator method first. Does anybody know what you would do to the 220? Yes.
This is divided by 0.8.
Fantastic. You would divide it by 0.8. So this is what I want you to use, and this is the method I want you to use. So in the question, we've got the original price and the new price. What was the new price of the saddle? 220. If I had my original price and I was having 20% off, what would my multiplier be? If 20% comes off something, what would I multiply by? 0. If I'm taking 20% off, 0.8. If I'm taking 20% off, I'm only finding 80%. So I would multiply by 0.8. So what do we do when we come backwards? Brilliant. Divide by 0.8. So on the calculator, 220 divided by 0.8 would give me 275. Right, okay, I put a little booklet on your table because you're obviously doing the new GCSE. Now, these are the questions in the style that came from the old GCSE, because these are actually a little bit easier than the questions that would have been in the textbook today, okay? The ones in the textbook are towards the new GCSE. So I want you to get the skill and the method correct first. So don't write in the book, but I want you to copy don't do question 2. I want you to copy the question from the book, well, the working, and work through these ones first. If you complete these ones, then you are on a sheet, okay? And the sheet, I've got the more difficult ones, the wordy ones, which is the style for your new GCSE. Okay, now some of you, I don't want you to do all of them in the book. So if I call your name out, I only want you to do...
Stop recording.
Sorry, yes, stop recording. I only want